Hello, Namaste. My name is Narendra Singh Parihal, and I guess I look pretty odd with my mask on my face, but I still feel very safe with it. So I want to share this experience to all my friends and family that after 5 months working in Vietnam, we get a chance to return back India with Vande Bharat repatriation flight on 11 July, and we landed in Delhi last night. So, as Vietnam is corona free and we are coming to Delhi, hearing all this news, we are pretty much scared to use a normal mask. So, we had an innovative idea. Two of the friends, what we use this snorkel mask, full face snorkel mask, as an added safety for precaution from coronavirus. Because we've been snorkeling there in Vietnam, and as it is covering face, nose, and mouth, we thought just to use this as added precaution, and we found it good. In fact, uh, it was 6.5 hour flight and almost 10 hours procedure in Delhi airport, where we had to wait before we could check in Taj Palace in New Delhi for quarantine. And we use this mask continuously during that time. And even today, to go for my medical checkup, I put this mask on and went for my medical checkup whenever I'm stepping out of my room. So, what we did was actually, this face mask comes with a tail with it, right? And with the tail, it was not comfortable to lean over on the seat. So, we removed this tail from a hinge. Yeah. And I put mask on where is the air intake on top here. Now here is another, but it is only air exhaust. So we put another mask on here for any exhaling out air going to the weather. So now when we are putting on or off mask, you can hold it at the side. So again, you are not touching your mouth, face, or eyes, and you sanitize your hand every time before you put on or off the mask. And once we reach the hotel, we had the shower together with the mask, so you can take soapy bath with the mask on. And then I felt pretty much safe with it to travel any affected area or to go or come from any affected area. And I guess this is widely available in the market for snorkeling, and I guess it could be a good tool to be protected from coronavirus. I'll put this mask on again for you to demonstrate how easy it could be. And that's it. Maybe I look a little bit odd, but I'm safe. So I guess my experience can help someone. I'll be really happy. I'm Narendra Singh Parihar. Namaskar everybody.